Ooh, no. What's up, you guys? It's your boy K back with another video, man. Today, you seen the box, man. The tires finally came for the project bike, man. The Yamaha. We finally got a fresh pair of tires. About to put them boys on there. Let's check them out. All right, you guys. So here's the fresh pair. So let's go ahead and cut these. Cut that out. All right, guys. So here's the tires right here. Brand new. They look pretty decent, bro. It's my first time ever getting some motorcycle tires, but here's the tread. Let me show you. Like, pretty nice. Here's the rear tire. This boy pretty big, but as you can see, there's the tread. So it looks like. You haven't noticed, today we're putting on a brand new set of tires on the bike. Like I said earlier in the video, man. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna actually show you how to dismount and mount a tire onto your rim for the motorcycle. So my first time ever doing a motorcycle tire, but I've dismounted and mounted tires before. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so we got this one done. This is the new weights on the new tire. I'm excited, man. I'm about to get the rear done now. Alright, y'all, so kind of like right here. Yep, right there. Alright, y'all, so we back at the crib, and now we got to put the tires back on the motorcycle. So I'm excited, bro. Got the tires done, put them on there, mounted them. You know what I'm saying? We went to the shop, actually did that. I was gonna do them, but my boss was there. He was acting kind of weird, so one of my coworkers just did it for me. Then I shot down the street and I got them balanced. So let's go ahead and smack them on. I'm gonna show you how to put them on the front, how to put the front tire on and the rear tire. Let's get to it. All right, first thing first, of course, you need to have the bike jacked up, at least to get the front tire off. So I got it jacked up right now. So now I'm about to go ahead and put the front tire back on. So let's make sure we got it in the right direction. Direction like this. Let's go ahead and slide this bad baby in there. build complete. Let's do the rear. All right, so right here, this is the rear axle, and I got a little bit of lube, grease actually. I'm gonna just grease up the rear axle so it can be real well lubricated. All right, so here's the rear tire. Before I put it on, I'm actually gonna torque it down to the correct foot-pounds. So for the Yamaha FZ6 2004, the rear sprocket needs to be tightened down to 72 foot-pounds. Alright you guys, so now we got the brake caliper on there, and you want to make sure you look down the center and make sure your chain is straight and narrow, so that looks pretty good. Alright you guys, so that's pretty much how you put the new tires on. Hopefully you kind of see what they did with the tire machine. You pretty much got to break the bead, and then you can just take the tire off with a tire spoon. That's what they call it. Other than that, I showed you guys how to replace how to take apart and put back together the front tire, also the rear tire. Pretty much kind of similar. You do need certain tools for the front and for the rear, and it is different torque specs for the front and for the rear. But I showed you all of that, man. Thanks for watching the video. If you made it all the way through, man, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and leave me a comment down below, man. Let me know you made it all the way through. Just put all the way through in the comments down below. Appreciate y'all, man. Stay tuned. The next video should be crazy because we ready to get this thing on the road. Now, all the mechanics is good, bro. All the mechanics is sound, bro. So we good. It's ready to throw this boy on the road, and then we just go do the little cosmetic work next. Let's get to it.